LinkDaddy launches Domain Authority Checker tool. LinkDaddy boosts its SEO services with free Domain Authority Checker. LinkDaddy has launched a free Domain Authority Checker tool that provides accurate domain rating scores for business owners, webmasters and digital marketing teams. LinkDaddy continues to bring more efficiency and transparency to its suite of white-label SEO services. The end-to-end digital agency specializing in SEO services has just rolled out its Domain Authority Checker, a free, online tool that makes it easier for webmasters, business owners, and e-commerce competitor analysis specialists to quickly gauge the domain authority of a website. This is relevant to the world of SEO where trends change every season, and just being sure about which ranking parameters continue to hold fast in a highly disruptive space is a constant challenge. Industry experts will agree that the domain authority of a website has withstood the test of time, still relevant and critical as a ranking parameter that can bring in the clicks that have a higher chance to transform into sales. The Domain Authority Checker addresses this requirement. LinkDaddy Domain Authority Checker needs minimal input from a user. The process does not request sharing any personal details or technical details. The interface has been simplified as a browser-based tool that is as simple as visiting a web page. The user merely needs to input a website's URL and an email address, just 2 data inputs up front. The information is processed in real time, and the user is redirected to the results page. However, this is just one part of the deliverables. The DA Checker does a lot more. It sends a free detailed report that is quickly emailed. The report provides more clarity about how to create more website traffic, going beyond the scope of just establishing the domain authority of a website. The report includes a link building strategy along with explaining relevant LinkDaddy SEO services that can be employed to improve the domain authority and the overall SEO performance of the targeted portal. These user-friendly features set apart the LinkDaddy Domain Checker from any similar tool, as it does not stop at merely providing a domain authority report. The tool opens a door to website optimization, including guidance, consultancy, and an entire set of service packages that can boost a domain's authority. This makes the DA Checker very useful for business owners who might not have in-depth knowledge about legitimate SEO practices, but understand the need to get more competitive, making this tool a means to make well-informed decisions about SEO services. Since the domain authority is presented in the form of a domain authority score, users can readily understand the health of their website or that of their competitors. DA score benchmarks suggest that a score between 40 and 50 is considered average, 50 to 60 is considered good, and scoring above 60 suggests prime performance. Invariably, the higher the DA score, greater the chances of getting highlighted on the results pages of search engines like Google and Bing. As Tony Peacock, CEO of LinkDaddy, says, "Our DA tool does not stop at just providing a domain authority score. A business owner can ask for a free consultation, a strategy call for defining and setting up an SEO strategy without any obligations." LinkDaddy DA Checker uses the relevance of the website on the internet as a parameter rather than the health of its internal pages. This means collating information about all domains that do follow links to the targeted domain. Building on this approach, the DA tool computes the domain authority, backlinks, and referral domains where the domain authority is the search engine ranking score determined by Ahrefs. Backlinks are links from other websites linking back to the business website, and referring domains are root domains or websites that link back to the searched website. To use this free tool resourcefully, users need to understand the scope of competitors. If someone tries getting the DA score for global corporations or brands like Apple or Adidas, the score will seem almost perfect. But this is not the case with the smaller businesses, the ones that are meaningful for a user's scale of operations. This means neighborhood, nearby, close by, and regional businesses. Competitor websites that belong to the same business niche, are competitive across the same range of keywords, and tend to show up next to nearby search results that a business owner aspires for, are the type of competitor websites whose domain authority should be checked on this free DA tool. Understanding that someone checking out the DA score is most probably going to be curious about ways to improve the domain rating, LinkDaddy offers multiple DA boosting services on the same page. One of the easiest ways to boost the DR or domain rating is by creating a cutting-edge backlink profile. This is done by linking a business website with highly relevant and high-authority websites. LinkDaddy can do this by expanding the outreach for an online business where a team of SEO experts helps to set up and nourish a better, healthier backlink profile. This means adding more referring domains, conducting on-page keyword optimization, building metadata for each web page, and boosting the quality of content, including readability. Building backlinks via legitimate industry-recommended practices. The team at LinkDaddy systematically links the client's website across its network of local online directories, newsrooms, and blogging platforms. LinkDaddy also offers content creation services to expedite this process. Put together, these measures help to bring up the domain authority without spending big bucks on online advertisements. Check your website's domain authority and compare it to the domain authority of up to 5 of your competitors. Check it out and give it a try by clicking the link in the description.